Have you had this horrible, persistent cough for months and months? And even though you've had x-rays and antibiotics, you don't know what's causing it and you just can't seem to shake it. I'm going to tell you a secret and tell you about the 3 common causes of this type of cough and their treatments that a lot of people don't know about. The first is a post-nasal drip where you might be clearing your throat a lot, you might have a runny or blocked nose, and you might have an irritation or a tickling sensation at the back of your throat. This can be treated with oral or nasal antihistamines and nasal steroids. The second is reflux. So this might be the case if your symptoms are worse when you're lying down, worse when you're bending over, or worse after eating or talking. You may also get this tickly and odd sensation at the back of your throat. And we can treat this with antacid tablets like omeprazole or lansoprazole. And the third is that it might be a post-viral or a post-infectious cough. This is when there's been a clear infection that's resolved, but the cough has been persistent and lingering. We can treat this with inhalers. Do me a favor and send this to someone who's been coughing and spluttering all over you. And remember, if you've had a cough for longer than 8 weeks, or if you're worried about it, please go and see a doctor.